Nature holds the most extraordinary color palette. Our mission is to wear it. We begin with the heart of our collection, all natural gemstones, cut into bold, unconventional shapes. This is not just cutting, it's a liberation of light and color. Each unique facet is calculated to amplify the stone's innate vibrancy. The candy collection is a testament to confident style. It's for those who see color as a language and craftsmanship as a necessity. Each piece is a statement of our dedication to highlighting nature's beauty through intelligent design.